There's one secret I've never shared with anyone about Monetag SmartLink.
What?
Also, how I use it to make money every single day using social media traffic.
Damn!
Shh! Don't tell anyone I'm the one teaching you this, so. Hi, my name is Nwaeze. If you are new here, this is the channel where I share tips that will help you grow your business, improve yourself, and make money online. So hit that subscribe button right now to stay updated whenever I release a new video like this one. Alright, so if this is your first time hearing about Monetag or learning about Monetag SmartLink, here's a quick recap to bring you up to speed. When it comes to CPA marketing, there are many smart links from different platforms and CPA networks. Unlike many other platforms, Monetag has been in the market for so many years, and they work with thousands of advertisers all over the world, which means competitive CPM rates and good payouts for publishers, as for users from any geolocation. Fast payouts starting from just $5, 24/7 support for all publishers. You can register for an account right now using the link in the description of this video if you have not done so. Remember to provide your real data during registration, otherwise you won't be able to withdraw your earnings later. Now when you log into your dashboard, you will see this menu on the side here. There you will see the direct link, also known as the smart link. The statistics menu is where you will find and track your CPM, your earning and your impressions. The payment section is where you will see your earnings and payout method. There's also a referral program if you want to earn extra income by referring your friends. You receive a 5% commission for each person you refer. So how does Monetag SmartLink work? Let me explain. When a user clicks on your link, they are redirected to a relevant ad based on their location and interest. You earn money every single time they click, as simple as that. So now let me review my little secrets.
Let's have it.
Are you ready? It's called artificial intelligence, also known as AI. Not just any AI, but the one called cloud AI. Yes, that's cloud AI. All you need is the right prompt and the knowledge to apply the solution. Even if you don't know, just ask the AI to guide you. As simple as that.
So what I believe you were trying to say is thank you.
You see, and this is fact. Most people do not know how to use AI to their advantage. You don't even need to spend money. You can use the free version to make money for yourself.
What?
Trust me, if you use AI the right way, you make so much money. And the best part is, you don't even need to spend a dime to use these tools.
No!
Don't worry, I'm going to show you how in a few moments. If you check the description of this video right now, I've dropped both the link to sign up for Monetag and also a free prompt that you can copy right now to start building your own money printing machine online for free. So go ahead and get it as we proceed. Now, I know you'll be waiting for me to reveal the secrets. I've already started, so here's the plan.
Let's have it.
We are going to build a landing page for a Monetag SmartLink using AI for free, of course. Then we are going to also host that landing page online for free. Now remember, your Monetag SmartLink will be used to build this page, so everything is set up already. All there is left for you to do right now is to send social media traffic to that page and you make your money. Bam! Okay. If you're already getting value in this video, go ahead and comment Monetag SmartLink in the comment below. Alright, so here's what I mean. You go ahead and copy my prompts and then you paste it here. And boom, it will build a landing page for you with your Monetag SmartLink embedded safely. Next step is to open this website and upload the HTML you downloaded. Remember, after your AI have generated the page, you are going to download it, okay? Make sure you download it on your computer and then you open this website and upload the HTML file that you downloaded from your AI to this page. So go ahead and save changes. Boom, your website is live. Anyone can visit it and click on your link. You can also buy a custom domain and link it to the page if you want. That's optional actually, but that's just if you want to do it, but it's not necessary. You can actually use the free version and still make money. You didn't spend a dime, did you? Now it's time to share your new page to people on your social media, your friends, your family. It can be Facebook group, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, any social media that you know you can get your traffic from. I've already covered that in my previous video. Facebook groups, Facebook if you have your own followers, then you have Twitter, there's Instagram, there's making videos, and TikTok. There are many options, many ways to get social media traffic. So all the platform, just put the page, just put this your page that you just created right now, put this as a link on your bio. You can put this if you're writing a post, include it in the post and then post it on social media. People click on it, they visit this page and they will interact with it. As they interact with it, you make money. You can also use QR code to distribute your newly created page on social media so you can reach more people all over the world. Now whenever someone scans it, it will take them to this new page, and when they interact with it, it will record and you earn your money. If you don't know how to create QR code, I've already made a video here step by step how to do that, so go ahead and watch that video right now, learn how to do it and then implement it. It's an extra way of connecting and getting more people to your page. It's an option you can adopt if you want to, but you can also use a traditional way of just writing posts on social media and including your link to the page. Alright, let me congratulate you first of all for watching this video to this point. I know that if you start implementing what I just taught you right now, you are going to start making money with a Monetag SmartLink. That one is sure. What I just taught you right now, people pay me money to teach them this privately.
Shut up and take my money.
But I'm giving it to you for free because I love you and I want the best for you. Are you not happy? Why not smash that like button right now and subscribe to this channel, huh? Actually, we'll go. Obiora, subscribe. It will not take you anything. Subscribe. I'll be dropping videos like this every single week to show you how things are done behind the scene. You see, this page you just created using AI. Because this page was designed to convert, there's no way anybody will visit that page and will not click your link. And when they click your link, he will make money. So this page is designed to make you money on Monetag. Oh my god! The page is designed to convert every single traffic that comes through it. So you're going to make a lot of money if you send more people to that page every single day. It all depends on you. How much are you willing to make? Let me know in the comments. If you have any question, do wait to drop them in the comments. I will do my best to answer your questions and also to guide you further. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I don't know what you have been waiting for. Go ahead and subscribe right now. More contents are coming your way, so make sure you don't miss it by subscribing right now. Go ahead and subscribe. I will say it again, subscribe right now. It doesn't take you anything at all to subscribe. Make sure you like this video, comment and subscribe. Simple. You can share this video if you want to show me some love. Share this video with someone.
So what I believe you were trying to say is thank you.
Now if you want to show appreciation, check below this video right now. You see those buttons here. Click on the one that says thanks and send anything you want to send. Getting support directly from you means a lot to me. So if you want to appreciate me, you can use any of those buttons right there. Send me your thanks and I will receive it. And if you drop your name, I will give you a shout out in my next video. So that's it for today. Go ahead and implement what you just learned in this video and I will see you in the next video.